Good morning, my dear children. How are you all? I hope you all are good. So, in the last class, we completed up to 39. Now, everyone open page number 40. So, now it's project time. So, if you refer this project, everyone open companion page number 22. So, project time. Create your number post. Look at your newspapers and magazine for numbers from 100 to 200. Cut out the line passage that have the numbers. Paste them in the space given below. Highlight the numbers in the cuttings. Okay, children. So listen carefully, everyone. Once I will explain how to do this project. Okay. So for this project, you have to refer the newspapers and magazines. Okay. You have to take newspaper cuttings and magazine cuttings that those passages are having the numbers like 100 to 200 and paste that passages in the given space, and in that passage you have to highlight the numbers like 104, 105. So you have to check the numbers and highlight the numbers from 100 to 200. Okay, children. So this is about project. So after that, so here given in studio given question time. You have to complete this question time. In this question time totally 3 Romans are given. So everyone complete this question time and send to me. Okay, children. So now let us go to the next chapter. What is the name of our third chapter? It's add and subtract up to 99. Okay. So the name of our third chapter is add and subtract. Add and subtract up to 99. So we are given one paper activity. So listen carefully, everyone, children. Shilpa and Rashmi are standing on stone number 65. Okay, here 2 girls are there. So the names of the 2 girls, Shilpa and Rashmi. So here these 2 members are standing on a stone number 65. Shilpa jumps on the stone that is 10 more than 65. Okay, Shilpa jumping on the stone, it is 10 more than 65. So 10 more than it is, this is Shilpa. And next, Rashmi jumps on the stone that is 10 less than. Okay, here Rashmi jumps 10 less than and Shilpa jumps 10 more than. Color the stone Shilpa jumps to in red and color the stone Rashmi jumps to in blue. Okay, now you have to check 10 more than means you have to add 10. 65 plus 10 is 75 and Rashmi jumps 10 less than. 65 minus 10 is 55. Okay, I am given here one color code. Color the stone Shilpa jumps to the red. That means where the 75 here. So here the number 75 is there. So you have to color the number 75 with red color. Next, and color the stone Rashmi jumps in blue. So the Rashmi stone number 55. So you have to color the number 55 with blue color. I think, are you clear, children? Next, fill in the blanks. 65 plus 10 is equal to dash. Okay, 65 plus 10 is equal to 75 and 65 minus 10 is 55. Okay, children, note down, everyone. Okay, children, so next everyone open page number 46. Okay, here the given hands-on activity. So listen carefully, everyone. Adding or subtracting 10 from a number is the same as finding 10 more or 10 less than the given number. Just now we completed in pep activity. In that the Rashmi 10 more jumps at the 10 more the number and this Shilpa just 10 less than the number now. So that means if we adding or subtracting 10 from a number is same as finding 10 more and 10 less. So next hands-on activity. Play the game with your partner. Use 2 dice, one's having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and the other having the numbers 10 to 20. Okay children. So now I will explain how to play this game. Listen carefully everyone. Okay. So in this activity you have to take 2 dice. Okay. You have to take 2 dice, one's dice and 10's dice. Okay. And in one's dice having the numbers 1 to 6 and 10's dice having the numbers 10 to 60. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Okay. So first roll the one's dice and place the coin displayed on the one's dice. Okay. First you have to roll the one's dice. Okay. And place the coin displayed on the board. Displayed on the dice. Next again take the again you have to take 10's dice and roll. So now you have to observe the which number is on the 10's dice. Next you have to, for example, in the first dice number is 4. Okay. So after that you have to roll the 10's dice and the 10's dice number is 40. Means you have to add 40 to the number 4. Now you are in the number 40. Okay children. So and again you are playing, you have to play with use 2 members. And now you have the 40 now. So now give chance to the another one. So first one's dice and then 10's dice. After reaching number 90s, after only 91 to 100 now. So in that you have to use one's dice only. Okay. After crossing 90, you have to use one's dice only. We know that what is the name of this game? Snake and ladder. Okay. Next. Everyone open page number 23 in your companion. Everyone open companion page number 23. Okay, now here this is Giram. Okay, the first Roman is add. Okay, here you have to add the given number. Here given 2 numbers 23 and 14. Okay, let's everyone add these 2 numbers and write this sum here 23 and 14. So you have to add children. 3 plus 4 is 7 and 2 plus 1 is 3. So now the number is 37. You have to write the answer here 40 and 30. So in the ones place is 0. You have to write 0 and 4 plus 3 is 7. So the sum of these 2 numbers is 70. Okay children, here again 4 more problems is there. You have to do the homework and send to me. So the next second Roman, subtract. Okay, here given 2 numbers. You have to subtract this number from the 78. So now 78 minus 12. So here you have to subtract 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2 is 6 and 7 minus 1 is also 6. So the answer is 66. So you have to complete the remaining problems and send to me. Let's go to the third Roman. Solve the following. Here are given word problems. Okay children, now the third one, solve the following. So we are given word problems. Manu reads 32 pages of a book on Monday and 46 pages on Tuesday. How many pages did he read together? So you have to add 2 numbers to get the total pages read by Manu. So you have to add here the first. On Monday she read 32 pages and Tuesday 46 pages. So you have to add 32 and 46 to get the total number of pages read by Manu. 32, 46. So 2 plus 6 is 8. 3 plus 4 is 7. So total number of pages 78 pages. Next, second question. There are 20 deers and 60 lions in the zoo. Which animal is more in number and by how much? Here the 60 lions means lions are more, and how much means you have to subtract lions minus deer. So the number of lions here. So here which animal is more means lion is more, and how much means you have to subtract 60 minus 20. So let us 0 minus 0 is 0 and 6 minus 2 is 4. So here the lions are 40 more than the deers. Third one, a newspaper had 40 pages. In the special supplement there were 25 pages. What is the total number of pages? Okay, here you have to add 40 and 25 to get total number of pages. Fourth one, yesterday I bought 56 bananas. I gave 15 bananas to my brother. How many bananas do I have now? So actually yesterday I am having 56 and I gave to my brother 15 means you have to subtract 56 minus 15. You have to get now how many bananas now do you have. Okay children. So here you have to do this subtraction. So you have to do the homework and send to me. Next, fourth Roman. Fill in the blanks. 9 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus dash is equal to 12. Okay, once you have to check 9 plus 3 is 12. Okay children, next you are given 3. 3 plus dash is equal to 12. Which number is added to 3 to get 12? So here you have the changed addends. Here you have to write 9. 3 plus 9 is also 12. Here given 9 plus 3 and here given 3 plus 9. Here just the order of the addends changed, but the sum is 12. Next, B1. 9 plus 5 is equal to dash plus 9 is equal to dash. Okay, once you have to check children. 9 plus 5 is, let us add 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So the 9 plus 5 is 14. Now we have to check which number is added to 9 to get 14 children. Write 5 here. 5 plus 9 is 14. Okay, I think are you clear children? 10 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus dash is equal to dash. Okay, now here 10 plus 3 is 13. So, and 3 plus 10 is also 13. So, fill the numbers, fill the blanks with the correct numbers. Okay children, so now you have to do the remaining problems as homework. Okay children, now open page number 25, 3a. Add or subtract by skip counting in tens. Okay, here given numbers, here addition and subtraction also. So you have first add 41 plus 50, and here given the answers also. Use the color code to color the box with the answer. Here given answers, you have to use color code. Here the numbers given in blue color, no. So you have to color the correct answer with using of blue color. So we have to add children 41 plus 50. 41 and 50. 1 plus 0 is 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. And 4 plus 5 is 9. So now the answer is 91. You have to check where the 91 here. Yes, here the first given 91. So here the question is given in blue color, no. So you have to color the number 91 with using of blue color. Okay children, color the answers with you given colors. Next check this one. 35 minus 10. So you have to subtract 10 from the number 35. 5 minus 0 is 5. 3 minus 1 is 2. So now answer is 25. Once you have to check, this is colored with green. Okay. So once you have to check where the 25 here. Yes, here 25. So you have to color the number 25 with green color. Okay children, are you clear? So here remaining 6 is there. You have to do the homework and send to me. Everyone color the answers with using of given color code. Next, open everyone page number 47 studio. Okay children, now observe everyone 3.3. Addition of two single digit numbers by regrouping or carryover. This shop is selling plants and pots. Draw lines to match the items having the same price. Okay children, so this is shop, plant selling shop. Draw lines to match the having same price. Here given the prices also, but here some of them given the direct price and some of the plants given price with addition of two numbers. Here you have to match the cost with same price. Okay, first let us add these two numbers children. 35 plus 20. So 5 plus 0 is 5 and 3 plus 2 is 5. Okay, that means so here it is 55. You have to match the number 55 with the same price. So this is number 55 now. You have to match like this. Next, add 25 and 40. 5 plus 0 is 5. 2 plus 4 is 6. It is 65. Here 65 is there? Yes. You have to match the number 65. Next, 34 minus 20. So let's subtract. 4 minus 0 is 4. You have to subtract 0 from any number. Answer is number itself. 4 minus 0 is 4. 3 minus 2 is 1. So here 14 is there children? Yes. You have to match number 14 to the 34 minus 10. Okay children. Okay children, next 3.4. Fill in the blanks with the numbers such that the total in each petal is 10. If you have been done for you. Okay children, here we have to do if we add this number to get 10 only. So here once you have to check 9 plus 1 is 10. Next, which number is added to 2 to get 10? If we add number 8 to get number 10. Okay. So here we have to add the numbers in the petals to get 10 only. 2 plus 8 is 10. Now here 3 given. Which number is added to 3 to get 10 children? 7. 3 plus 7 is 10. Next here given 4. Which number is added to 4 to get number 10? So 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That means 6. You have to add number 6. Next, which number is added to 5 to get 10? Here given 5 already. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That means you have to add 5. So 7 plus 3 and 8 plus 2. Now you have to check the sum of the petals is only 10. Okay, each petal is having, if we add the numbers in the petals, is 10 only. Note down. So next, we can add different pairs of numbers to get the same number. Is it correct or wrong children? For example, here in the last one 10 means 8 plus 2 is 10 and 6 plus 4 is also 10. So that means we can add different pairs of numbers to get the same number. Next, Rita spotted 6 monkeys near a tree. She then spotted 5 monkeys near another tree. Find the total number of monkeys she spotted. Okay children, in the first tree here 6 monkeys are there and in the second tree 5 monkeys are there. So now find the total number of monkeys fish spotted. So let us first group of 6 monkeys with 10 monkeys to make a group of 10 monkeys. In the second chapter we learned already making groups. Okay, 10 ones to make one group. So now here you have to add 4 monkeys to the number 6 to get one group of 10. Okay, here it is 6 and add 4 monkeys to get one group of 10. Now here in this group how many monkeys are here, children? It is a group of 10. Next. Okay, now let us check how many single monkeys are here. 1. Okay, here given blanks. Everyone listen and fill this. The total has dash group of 10 monkeys, children. Here how many groups of 10 monkeys are here? Here one group of 10 monkeys. So here first you have to write one group. Okay, one group. One group of 10 monkeys. And how many single monkeys are here? How many single monkeys are here, children? One single monkey. Now write one in the blank. One single monkeys. There are dash monkeys in all. Now total how many monkeys are here? It is 10 and 11. Now write the 11 in the given blank. There are 11 monkeys in all. Okay, children? Next. Open everyone. Companion page number 26. So 3B. Draw objects of your choice to complete the addition facts. Group the objects into tens and ones. So here you have to draw the given number of objects. So here given number 6. So you have to draw any objects 6. And here you have to draw the 7 objects. Okay, here I draw mangoes. Okay, now you have to make a group of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so you have to add 4 more mangoes to get a group of 10 mangoes. So now this is 6 and I am adding 4. Now it is a group of 10. Yes or no, children? Now how many single mangoes are here? And here 3 mangoes are there. So now here you have to write answer 13. Here totally one group of 10 mangoes and 3 single mangoes are there. Now it's totally 13 mangoes. You have to draw the object like this and write the answer here. And next, second one, 8 plus 9. You have to draw any objects with 8 and any objects with 9. And now let's make a group of 10 and after that write the